Shenzhen Huizhizhen Smart Technology Co., Limited, JMK Smart, is a professional end-to-end management manufacturing vendor for smart home appliance more than 14 years. We established 2011 and located in Shenzhen City, covers an area of over 10,000 square meters area, including mold workshop, injecting workshop, aging workshop, 7 assembly production lines, 3 packing lines, more than 120 workers, 7 engineers, 15 QC members, and over 200 patents, which enables us to have the capacity to cover peak sales period. Our factory has passed LSO and BSEL, and the products we produced must routinely pass international certification standards, such as CE RoHS, LVD, FCC, MSDS, and so on certifications to ensure the product, safety compliance complete qualification, can smoothly enter the international market. JMK Smart Technology adheres to the concept of creating high-quality life, strives to innovate, develops better products, and creates a better tomorrow with customers. We are a development-oriented, innovative and production-oriented enterprise, centering on 3 dimensions: sound, audio, light, home lighting, and aromatherapy, aroma diffuser, mainly engaged in smart digital and small household appliances. Our main product included wireless Bluetooth speakers, smart LED lights, aroma diffuser series products, and portable vacuum cleaner, etc. We provide professional OEM and ODM services for 14 years and accept customized logo, colors, gift boxes, and user manuals. The qualified rate of our products reaches 99.7%. We always provide professional pre-sales and after-sales service, all-weather service and quick response. OEM and ODM warmly welcome. We have rich OEM and ODM experience for famous brands. We have cooperated with 200+ brands and customers from 30 countries.